on your local environment. So if you just go onto Google and search for Git, and you'll get this right here. Just click on the website and then scroll down, and then you can go on to downloads, or right here, based on your environment, you'll get a download link. So I'm using Windows, so you can go ahead and just follow the instructions and get that all set up. And then we'll look at the very basics of Git. So let's just quickly create a file, so index.js, and I'll just do a console.log. Hello world. Excellent. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, I'm going to go to terminal and new terminal. And we'll just have a look here, what we've got in the folder, and we can see that we've got our index.js file. So what I'll do to initialize a repository, so what you can do in VS Code is you can actually initialize and might use the command line, but today we'll just look at the command line. So if you want to initialize a repository in this specific folder, you'd type the following. So give me a second. So git init. Right, and now you'll see you've got a little 1 mark here. So we just click on source control, and we can see that it's detected that this file is present. So if you wanted to add the file, or say you have multiple files, you can do git add and then dot. You can give the specific file name, or you can just give a dot. That will basically take all of the files and put them into staging. So we'll do that. And you can see that we've got the stage changes here. So once they're here, what you want to do is you can commit it. And then with your commit, you can give a particular message of any changes that you've made. So for example, we'll do git commit -m. So -m is where you would give your message. Then you can give your message here. You can say initial and then press enter. And you can see now it says that those have been committed. And if you wanted to publish those, you can actually connect your VS Code directly to your GitHub, and you can publish that to a repository. But that's for another day.